Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to calculate working days between two dates excluding the weekends. And we will also look at how to calculate work days if we have partial work weeks. So let's get into the video. Here you can see we have this table showing employee ID, start date, end date and working days. And we will also see working days excluding Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So first let's calculate the working days between these two dates. Now the formula that we can use is NETWORKDAY function. Let me show you how we can use it. So I'll write is equal network days. Now over here you can see we have two options, network days, networkdays.intl. Let me demonstrate the network days first, then I'll get to networkdays.intl. Now over here you can see we have three arguments, start date, end date and holidays. So this is going to be our start date, comma, this is our end date. Again we'll insert comma to, and now the optional argument says holidays. So let's include holidays. You can actually make a separate list of holidays like me over here. It could be on this page or any other page. So I'll highlight it like this, and these holidays needs to be fixed. For that you can actually press F4 from your keyboard, or if you are on laptop you might need to press Fn and F4 together. Now close the bracket, press enter, and there we go. Now in order to apply the formula to the rest of the cells, simply hold this green square and drag it down, and the formula has been copied to other cells as well. Now let's verify whether it has actually calculated it correctly or not. Over here you can see the start date is 1st April and it actually ends at 25th April, and Sunday and Saturday are off days. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 days, 5 plus 5 10 and plus 5 15, and now 23 and 24, these should be excluded as their holiday. 15 plus this one date 16 and 25 17. So you could see it has actually calculated it perfectly. Now one thing that must be noted over here is that it has actually included the first date. If you want to exclude the first date of the working days, then you can actually tweak this formula like this. Put your cursor right over here in C2, which is actually the start date, and simply put plus 1 and press enter, and now you can see it comes out to be 16. Simply drag it down, and now this first day won't be counted. Plus 1 actually stands for exclusion and 0 stands for inclusion. I will further demonstrate it as we go ahead into our video. Now let's say we don't have a traditional weekends like Saturday and Sunday. We might be working in a company where we have non-traditional weekends. For that we can use networkdays.intl function. Let me show you. Simply is equal networkdays and simply choose this particular option. Start date, again we have the same start date, comma, end date, again comma. Now you can see we have a bunch of options to choose from. If we are gonna the same standard way, that is having Saturday and Sunday as weekend, then we can simply insert 1. Else we can choose any of this corresponding number to insert the weekend option. Let me insert 1. This means we are choosing actually Saturday and Sunday as the weekends. Now put comma, and for holidays let's choose our holidays like this. Again fix it by pressing F4 from your keyboard and close the bracket like this, press enter, and there we go. Now simply copy the formula to the rest of cell and we are done. So far it was quite simple. Now let's assume we have a working week where we actually go to the company not on Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Rather we choose alternate days, that is Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So how we would do that? Let me show you. Simply write is equal network days international start date, comma, end date, comma, and now over here we will tweak our formula to include the days we wanted and exclude the ones we don't want. So simply over here insert quotes, and inside double quotes we'll put in 1 for exclusion that is Monday would not be counted. Then insert 0 for Tuesday, it would be counted. Again 1 for Wednesday, it won't be counted. Again 0 for Thursday, 1 for Friday, and now you know Saturday and Sunday are off, so we'll include 1 1. So they will be included. Simply close the parentheses, press enter, and there we go. Now let's drag it down, and there you can see we have calculated the working days based on totally a different scenario. So this is how we can calculate working days for a particular employee working in a company. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.